they just interrupted the programming, like the news programming broadcast. Because the code says to be first in morning. Yes, there was the EASs, but they were pretty early, and I couldn't find my phone to record them. There was a watch issued. Around 2:20 a.m. in the morning, I got woke up by wheel from this in my radio. But anyways, I stay tuned with the iPhone recording device. I don't do a live stream. And I'll mute the audio to that as it was a first in the morning, just like they do with the Mercy Light system. And there's a sound. And if you hear me go rain, destructive. And this is look how destructive that is. Really. I'm not a stone track spotter, but that is literally might be a tornado. That might be a tornado right there. I'm not a stone predictor. So if you're in Lincoln, take cover now. That's all I recommend. Listen to Caitlin. Listen to her. I know, I sound crazy. Yes, I'm talking about this as a way to get a copyright claim for YouTube, but I'm the weatherman. Okay, beware of one EAS counting. I counted all the EASs. I'm predicting it. Here we go, rain, in case confirmed dangerous, destructive, potentially dangerous situation, tornado, anything.
One moment.
I hate Caitlin sometimes because I want to have Shauna.
You'll see those really start to ramp up. So switching here to velocity, you can see some.
Okay, there we go. I hate her because she's slow. Too slow.
Brighter red. You can see that here. Let's take a check. Resco, 53 mile per hour. We did get that report out of Lincoln.
You hear that noise? That's thunder.
Some of this brighter, 47, 26. So it's coming through very quickly, but very fiercely, if that tracks. Let's switch back to our velocity as live dual pulse super Doppler.
This doesn't sound like a movie.
Mead Valley, and Lashara.
This is Caitlin Harvey, if you're wondering. She's super stupid for a weather woman. I'm sorry, Caitlin, but KTV will roast video in this video. Okay, it roast video. I think it's hilarious and at the same time not funny.
80 mile per hour gust is moving into Waverly. I'll give you about 15 minutes at the most. Louisville not included. Greenwood, you are. Looks like we might have a new severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh. Put back on 1 point mode. Wait for it. This radio is loud. So I do not recommend turning down your volume. I cannot ring that bell because it's too early. So I'm gonna go like ring, then the severe first them.
We're getting some of those damaging wind gusts. Walton, it is moving your way currently. Marion Center, some rain right now. Wind not quite yet arrived. Belmont as well. Let's double check, see if we've gotten any new storm reports for us. Strongest wind pointed into northern Lancaster County towards Gretna. So Gretna, heads up right now. This is beginning to move your way. If you're watching, now is your time to seek shelter. Go into the innermost room of your home, away from any of those windows. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Tornado threat not really with us this morning, but this has become a wind event. Seeing brand new information come in. It's like we might have a...
This is like a live stream. Because this is gonna go on premiere mode, I'm warning you. It was perfect timing too, because they were going on the weather related. So they're talking about weather, about fire, then they went to normal weather, then they're still on the air.
Direction of our winds really moving from the south southwest onto the northeast. So Ashland beginning to get those winds. Greenwood, windy as well, but our strongest winds still further off into the west.
This is perfect timing for it one too.
Rain here on I-80 again. Seek shelter, pull off, or maybe turn back around. Hold off. I believe these storms going to move through here this morning, but we will get a break here as we head on into this afternoon. We have another live look here from our NDOT cameras out toward I-80 and Greenwood.
Warning, we might see something crazy.
Working to get those up for you here this morning.
You see,
And he's moving through very quickly and very strong. This is out toward Kearney. Now these began to develop out toward Kearney around 2 o'clock this morning. Still seeing some of that rain, residual breezy winds, but lightning there, and quite the light show. That's what's in our area. This is looking up to...
we might watch the light show.
We also have some of
No, that'd be dangerous.
if we would be able to pull those up and look out toward the west. Destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Parts of Sarpy County until 6 a.m. Douglas County until 6 a.m. So for the Lincoln area, this severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:30, but northern Lincoln area until 5:45. Checking in to see if we've got any new reports. It still is 91 mile per hour gusts reported out of Lincoln currently. Again, those winds coming out from the southwest. 63 mile per hour gusts. And to Lancaster as well. We have a live look here now from our camera. Douglas Tower is pointing to the east. Out to the east, still pretty dry. You can see those clouds rolling on in though. Not seeing a whole lot of lightning. Looking to the east, if we can have a camera pointed out toward the west, we have quite a bit of lightning. Again, these thunderstorms moving in have a history of being destructive. Further out into central Nebraska, did bring down power lines into Fillmore County. Here for us, our strongest wind report, Lincoln Airport, 91 mile per hour gusts.
Hearing that noise is just a block.
Thunderstorm. We'll pull back up radar, zoom in a little bit more closely. Start naming areas like Greenwood, Ashland. Strongest winds not quite 2 yet. Waverly as well. Now, our severe thunderstorm warning not yet expanded, but Ashland and Lenoma Beach, Gretna now included in this as well until 6 a.m. Utan beginning to get some of that heavy rain too.
Springfield.
Now, as we head into the morning,
Springfield.
now going to hit
Springfield. So you have the last and gas. That's why I paused. I have a little jump cut.
downtown before progressing over to the Iowa
I could hold it. I tried to hold it in, but